3 here, we're just going to factor. Notice that the a isn't equal to 1 and there's no GCF. All right, so let's set this up. You're going to find two numbers that multiply to make a times c. In this case, it is 10. 2 times 5. And you want to find something that also adds up to the 11. Those numbers are 1 and 10. Once you find those two numbers, now we divide by your ax term, which is going to be 2x. Let's see if anything simplifies. 1 over 2x does not simplify. 2 does go into 10 and 2 does go into 2. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 goes into 2x 1 time. So your factors are going to be bottom plus the top. So it's 2x plus 1 and x plus 5. This would be, this whole process here is referred as factoring. Let's look at B. We want to find two numbers here that multiply to make negative 30. That adds up to this value. There's a 1 there. So the fact that it is 1 for the addition, we know that those two numbers are very close together. So it's 6 and 5. But notice that it has to be a negative. So the negative is going to be on the 5 because 6 plus negative 5 gets you 1. Next, you want to divide by that 2x term. Simplify, becomes 3 over 2x. Nope, not 3 over 2x. Because 2 go into 6 3 times, 2 goes into 2 1 time. So it becomes 3x. Nothing happens to the 5x over... Nothing happens to the negative 5 over 2x. So the factors are x plus 3 and 2x minus 5. That would be its factors. Let's look at C. We want to find two numbers here that multiply to make negative 28. That adds up to negative 3. And let's look for those numbers. Let's see. 1 and 28, no. 2 and 14, no. 3, no. 4 and 7, yes, 4 and 7. So it is 4 and 7. But we're trying to make a negative 3. So the negative has to be on the larger number. 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. 4 plus negative 7, it is negative 3. Now we want to divide by our ax term. So it is 2x, 2x. Can we simplify? Yes, 2 does go into 4, 2 does go into 2. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 goes into 2 1 time. So it's 2x. This simplifies to negative 7 over 2x. In factored form, it is bottom x plus the top, which is plus 2. Bottom 2x minus 7 be your second factor. Let's look at D. We want to find two numbers that multiply to make 24. That adds up to negative 10. Here in this case, we can try 1 and 24. No. 2 and 12. No. There's no way to get negative 10. 3 and 8. No. 4 and 6. Yes, 4 and 6 does work. 4 and 6. 4 and 6. But that's only if both of them are negatives, right? Negative 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. Negative 4 plus negative 6 is negative 10. Divide by the 8x, divide by 8x. They can't simplify because 2 goes into both. 2 goes into negative 4, negative 2 times. 2 goes into 8, 4 times. Oh, actually 4 goes into both then. 4 goes into 4 1 time. 4 goes to 8x 2 times. Okay. 2 goes into negative 6, negative 3 times. 2 goes into 8x 4x times. So the factors are 2x minus 1 and 4x minus 3. There you go. That is completely factoring out all these trinomials.